July 15. July 15, purchased 80 units. Okay, wait, before that one, let's update our inventory. So this will be plus 5 and then to 5. $17,500. Ayan. So, 15, July 15, purchased 80 units at 520 each on account. Nadagdagan na naman ng merchandise inventory natin, and this time around it is 80 times 520 equals 41,600. On account pa rin, therefore accounts payable. Okay, so we're done with the purchase. Okay, now this is for 500 and this is at 520. So 80 units at 520, therefore it's 41,600. Kung napansin nyo, hiniwalay ko sila because we're following first in, first out na inventory evaluation method. Hindi natin sila pwedeng pag-isahin or i-combine yung mga costs nila because we have to segregate those that were purchased for 500 and those that were purchased for 720. Nauna tong bilhin and then ito yung succeeding. Therefore, kapag nagbenta tayo later, uubusan muna natin yung 35 units at 500 pesos each before natin bawasan itong nabili natin at 520. So, kailangan nating bantayan yan. Let's now proceed sa July 18. Okay. On July 18, nakabenta tayo ng 70. So, 70 units times 800. That would be 56,000. So, again, nakabenta tayo. Sales, 56,000. Did we receive cash? Okay, we received cash. So, dadagdagan natin yung cash natin at 56. Now, here's the tricky part in recognizing the cost of goods sold. So, COGS pa rin yan, and then merchandise inventory. However, hindi natin pwedeng gawing 70 times 500 lang or 70 times 520. Bakit? If you notice, dito sa list natin, we only have 35 units at 500. So, therefore, 35 at 500. And the remaining 35 units, para magka-70 tayo, is already 520. Therefore, solve. Ay, bakit ang nakay? So, ayusin natin. 35 times 500 equals ayaw equals solve. Ba't ang laki? 35 times 500. Okay, 35 times 500, 17,500. 17,500. And then another 35 coming from the 520. So, 35. Yung AI natin ayaw gumana. 18,200. Therefore, the cost of goods sold is, may calculator ako dito sa gilid, 35,700. Ayan. So, 35,700. Again, a portion of it came from the 500 per unit and another portion came from the 720 per unit. And then, on July 20, physical count. Sige, update muna natin. Ito, okay na to. Nasimot na to lahat. Nabenta na to lahat. So, wala nang balance yan. Dito naman, nabawasan ng 35. And amounting to 1820. So, this is 45. And then, 41,600 minus 18,200. That's 23,400.